Tonight, the sons of Greece are hosting us in their home. Let me tell you the story of the island of Chios. On one morning of 1822, the two Raleigh brothers, sons of the demotion and submersion families, are playing by the docks, throwing pebbles into the sea. Euslatros Stephen Raleigh is a tall and charismatic adolescent. He always tries to emulate the stern look that his father bears. His younger brother, Antonio Alexander Raleigh, is smaller with intelligent, piercing eyes and an open heart. He's the first one to float. How many tears do you think Poseidon shed to fill the oceans? Tonight, the sons of the island of Chios are hosting us in their home. They said all the day, they said all the night, they remember who they were and where they were coming from, honoring the dead and the living with sanctuaries, schools, churches, cemeteries, libraries, places of peace, places of transcendence, places for the people to come together. Tonight, the sons of the island of Chios and of Greece at large need our thoughts of hope and support, to fan for their right to live in a world where guns and swords are not the only ways to oppress. So let us light the lights and sing the songs. Let us remember where we are, who we are, and where we're coming from. And let us hope that the wind will carry the memories of the son of Chios to their home. And if you want to repeat with me the last two lines. Go. The sea is calling you. Say all the day and say all the night. Light the lights and sing a song, and the day will bring you back to us. Go and do remember who you are, where you're coming from. Light the lights and sing the songs, and the wind will bring you back to us. Light the light and sing the songs, and the wind will bring you back to us. Light the light and sing the songs, and the wind will bring you back to us. Light the light and sing the songs, and the wind will bring you back to us.